Hello, Jammers. It's me, Lulu the Cat. Today I'm going to search up random usernames to see if they actually exist in Animaljam. So I already searched up a couple, but I don't know. I'm just gonna type random things in and see if someone's name pops up. So here I go. Okay, the first one I'm going to be searching is the one that I searched earlier. I think it's John or something. Oh, I don't know why I have caps lock on. But that's how you spell John. See, and then their username pops up. Their den is locked. Well, they've been off for 30 days, so let's see other animals. So they're a little goofy gem. So they're the monkey. And they have seal. See their achievements. They have a lot. Okay, next one. I didn't search this one up yet. I'm just gonna see if it is a real name. Ooh, it is. They've been off for 30 days. Oh, they're a tiger. Oh, their den is open, so I can see what they have. Oh, they have nothing. So, I love Cupcake. Only has a tiger. Okay. How about that boy? Is that a real name? Okay, that's not a real name at all. How about the name Beta? Oh, someone is named Beta. Let's see what they got. They got a seal. They don't have that much achievements. Oh, they only have a rug. How about Ellie? Oh, she was on 8 days ago. So might as well buddy her. Oh, she had membership. I'm clicking her den to see if it's open for everyone. Oh, okay, she has decorated her den Christmas themed. That's cool. How about Oh, they actually play Love Toys. It's cool they were on one day though. That's actually a pretty good new username. So they had a koala. So let's check out the den. Well, most of these dens are really plain. Like nothing is in it. So how about hats? Oh, it's actually a jammer. I didn't know that. Can I buddy them? Oh, they're not accepting buddy requests. Oh, they had membership. That's cool. Can I visit the den? It lets me. Okay, they do have something in their den. And they have paintings. Wait, when have I ever liked these? That's weird. Okay, how about Cloudy? Oh. Well, that's really weird. Nobody picked the name Cloudy. How about that? Another L? Another L. I'm just gonna keep adding up. Okay, that's just strange. There's a monkey named Lollll. Are they accepting butter requests? Okay. I'm just gonna add random people that I do not know. Okay. Why are most of these dens plain? I don't get that. I do not get that. How about if I type Lulu? Oh my god, it's Lulu! That's a cool user, and they still have membership, and they've been off for 30 days. So I'm gonna explore their den if it's open to people. Triggered. How about Lily? Okay. Ooh, this streamer has been off for 30 days, and her name is Lily. Can we go to the den? Okay, yes, we can. What the freak? Lily, you're a member. It says you're a member. Right there, and you have nothing in your den. So you're fuzzy Arctic wolf fox. I think you're an Arctic fox. Oh no, you're a fox. Okay. Fuzzy. Oh, that's a cool user. Oh my god, they were on today. Oh my god, if they accept my butter request, I will make a video. Oh, they had membership? What if I typed in lion? I don't know when I'm going to end this. Okay, nobody took the name lion. Tiger. Okay. SKRM. Oh. I don't know if this was like Scorn's backup account. I was just thinking of it. And why are most of these dens plain? How about cat? Oh! That's cool. This is gonna be a plain den, isn't it? Oh, never mind. It's a cool den. Well, cat has a cool den, and it won't show their animals, so we're gonna figure out what it is. Mr. Hiking Wolf, which is laggy. So they're a wolf. How about cat with a K? Okay. What if I searched up wings? Wing? Okay. What if I said claws? Okay. I'm searching up random usernames. How about new jammer? Oh my god. I can't believe someone's name is New Jammer. That's a car in the background if you heard that sound. So don't get scared about that. This is just weird how new jammers have new jammer name. What if they had guest jammer? Oh, so nobody has it. What if I typed in baby you? Not baby us, but baby you. How about add numbers? I'm just gonna do random numbers and see if I get something. So I did find one right here. Baby you 45. So anytime you see this, that means they're on AG Play Wild. So what if I typed in Animaljam rocks? Oh, it's actually a person. Ooh, I like those horns. That's pretty cool. Let's see if their den is unlocked. How about owl? Okay. What if someone's name is Brownie? See, I'm getting ideas from the corner of my friends list. Brownie. Ooh. Dang it, I can't go to her or his den. Were they a member? No. How long have they? Okay, more than 30 days. Cupcake. I haven't did that one. They have, what animal are they? Cause I can't see. So they're a non-member, cause it says it. So they're seal. How about Rosie? Okay, most of these gymmers have locked-ins, so this is a non-member. What are they? They are, bunny. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do a couple more usernames, and then I'm gonna end the video. Rose. Okay, there's like... Okay, her den is open and free. Let's see what she has on her den, if she has anything. Ooh, she does have it stuff. It's cool. Well, this is like the first jammer who's a non-member, and I see they like have stuff in their den. That was like really weird. What are they? They are wolf. Wait, no. How about Cuphead? Oh! Oh, they do play. Let's see the... Okay, they're not accepting buddy requests, and their den is locked. Okay, Cuphead, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna feature your username because I just typed it in. And when I saw your first username, and it was like a non-member, now you're a member. Like a long time ago, I saw you were a non-member, and now you're a member. So, how about Bendy? Oh, they are a member. That's cool. Bendy, Cuphead are a member. Oh, they're a seal. I'm so dumb. How about I search up Dolphin? I recommend you to search these usernames, like a lot of usernames, to see if you find any. Okay, you're a bunny. Did you have membership? No. Let's see if you have anything in your den. Okay, you have a lot of stuff. Dolphin. Have you played over 30 days? Okay, yeah. Wait, wasn't their looks not like that? I just saw it different. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna do one more username, and that's Boris. How come all these people who have like Bendy and Ink Machine names, like, or all that, or okay, I didn't get to finish my sentence, but it's really weird how everyone who has Bendy and the Ink Machine and Cuphead have like membership. It's really weird, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to search up those usernames that I searched up, you can, because I know that they're real usernames because I searched them up. Now I know that there's like a lot of people with names like of games. I'm gonna do one last one. I would have to say this is like a funny username, THW. So anyways guys, thank you all for watching. Bye.